So today's the day we are going to make some ice cubes. Remember I told you underneath the microwave we had an inverter? I had Dave charge this up with our batteries, and then I have it plugged in just for demonstration purposes. Normally we'd leave it underneath the microwave in that cabinet down below. So here is my inverter. I need it to plug it in if we're off grid. Boondocking, if we are to shore, I would just plug it into a regular outlet. Dave charged this up for me with his lithium ion phosphate batteries. We'll push this in till that comes up. This is for your USBs. This is for a car socket. These are the outlets, and I'll turn this one on. Now it will be ready to work the ice maker. So the first thing we need to do is fill it up to the fill line or below with water. We want to put our basket in. When the ice fills the basket, it will let us know. I'll just let it keep going until the basket is full. So we'll put the lid down. So I push the on-off button. I don't want to stop it right now. I didn't have it on. Then it was on large ice. I've hit select and it went to the small. It's already starting. It will take 6 to 13 minutes to make the ice, depending on the size of the ice. It will go into the basket, and like I said, I'm going to wait until the basket is full, and it will tell me that it's the full ice, and then I will shut it off. And then we can have a glass of Sprite, and I will taste the ice cube itself to see if it's nice and fresh. Watch closely and you'll see how the ice cubes are made. Okay, so it says that the ice is full. You want to shut your on off. There's the ice. You can dump that in container and then put that back in and hit on again and select your size and keep doing that until you run out of water. Let me dish up a glass full of ice with some Sprite. So like I mentioned, it comes with an ice scoop. I have a glass. Here is a piece of ice. I'm going to try and see if it's nice and fresh before I put the Sprite in. And it doesn't have an awful taste to it. It's nice, fresh taste. You want to make sure that your unit is nice and clean before you put any water in. You also want to have regular maintenance on cleaning the unit so it will stay nice and fresh. Regular maintenance depending on your water hardness. I'll just put some Sprite in there. And this is not a cold Sprite. We'll see if it gets nice and cold. Cheers. That's really good. It only took about 45 minutes to fill up the basket. It was making like 6 to 9 to 12 ice cubes at a time. So it's not supersonic quick, but if you want to just make a glass full, just get as much as you need for the glass full and then hit off and it'll quit making them. You want to make sure that you change the water every 24 hours so you have fresh water. You can make 26 pounds of ice in 24 hours. I'm going to be done for the day. I'm not going to make anything more. I will need to drain this and then wipe it out. So I'll be ready to go the next time I want to use it. Here is my Frigidaire Ice Maker I approve. Here we go. I'm going to just try the ice cube and see if it's nice and fresh. Recipe deals for easy meals. Please like, subscribe, and share. This is Cooking with Sherry. Until we meet again.